Are your muscles getting weaker as you age? Are you noticing more fatigue, slower recovery, and stiffness after even mild activity? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, is a natural part of aging, but it doesn't mean you have to accept it. The good news? You can fight back with the right natural muscle-building powders that help your body repair, recover, and regain strength safely. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 5 natural powders to rebuild muscle after 60, including options that are plant-based, anti-inflammatory, and rich in nutrients your aging body needs. Whether you're male or female, active, or just starting, these powders can make a massive difference in your energy, recovery, and daily strength. So what are the safest and most effective natural powders for seniors? Let's dive in. And make sure you stay until the end for the best way to use them in your routine. 1. Whey Protein Powder. Why is whey protein considered the gold standard in muscle building, especially for seniors? Because it's fast-digesting, rich in essential amino acids, and contains a high dose of leucine, the amino acid most responsible for muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our body becomes less efficient at building and maintaining muscle, and that's where whey protein powder steps in. It helps combat age-related muscle loss, improves strength, and supports recovery after exercise, even mild activities like walking or stretching. What's more, whey protein is rich in immunoglobulins, which support immune function, an added bonus for aging adults. You can easily mix in smoothies, oatmeal, or even water, and it absorbs quickly into the bloodstream to start rebuilding muscle fast. If you're lactose intolerant, opt for whey isolate, which is easier on the stomach. So, is whey protein the ultimate powder for rebuilding strength after 60? For many seniors, the answer is a strong yes. 2. Pea Protein Powder. Looking for a plant-based alternative to whey that still helps you rebuild muscle after 60? Pea protein might be your perfect match. Derived from yellow split peas, this powder is naturally high in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, especially leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are key to stimulating muscle growth and repair. Unlike some plant proteins, pea protein is hypoallergenic, meaning it's free of dairy, soy, and gluten, making it ideal for those with sensitive digestion. What makes it even better is its iron content, which helps carry oxygen to your muscles, supporting strength and endurance. It's a slower digesting protein compared to whey, which means it stays in your system longer, giving your muscles a steady flow of nutrients. Can a plant-based powder really support muscle growth after 60? Absolutely. And pea protein proves you can go green without compromising strength or recovery. 3. Collagen Peptides Powder. Did you know that by age 60, your body produces significantly less collagen, and that this directly affects your muscle and joint health? Collagen Peptides Powder isn't just a beauty supplement. It plays a critical role in preserving muscle mass, strengthening connective tissue, and supporting joint flexibility. As we age, we need more support in keeping our muscles attached firmly to our bones, and collagen helps do exactly that. It's especially helpful for those experiencing joint pain, stiffness, or reduced mobility, as it provides the amino acids glycine and proline, key building blocks for repairing tendons and ligaments. Unlike traditional protein powders, collagen mixes easily in coffee, tea, or broth, and it doesn't have a chalky taste. For those over 60, collagen peptides not only help with muscle repair, but also keep your joints strong enough to continue light workouts and walking routines. Wondering how to recover better and move more freely after 60? Collagen might be your secret weapon. 4. Brown rice protein powder. Can rice really help you rebuild muscle after 60? Surprisingly, yes, especially when it's in the form of brown rice protein powder. This plant-based option is hypoallergenic, easily digestible, and rich in essential amino acids that your aging muscles crave. While it doesn't contain as much leucine as whey or pea protein, it makes up for it with its gut-friendly nature and antioxidant properties. For seniors who struggle with digestion, bloating, or food sensitivities, brown rice protein is a fantastic alternative. It also contains fiber, B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium that help with muscle function and recovery. What's more, when combined with a moderate fitness routine like walking, Tai Chi, or resistance band exercises, brown rice protein supports sustainable muscle strength without causing digestive distress. So if you're wondering, is there a gentle yet effective protein powder for seniors with sensitive stomachs? Brown rice protein delivers on all fronts. 5. Spirulina Powder. Is there one natural powder that supports muscle, energy, immunity, and detox all in one? Yes, and it's called spirulina. This vibrant blue-green algae is one of the oldest superfoods on Earth, and it's a powerhouse of plant-based protein, iron, chlorophyll, and antioxidants. While it may not be a traditional protein powder, spirulina contains all 9 essential amino acids and about 60% protein by weight, making it extremely effective in preserving lean muscle in older adults. It's especially beneficial for seniors experiencing fatigue, weakness, or inflammation, as it reduces oxidative stress, detoxifies heavy metals, and improves oxygen delivery to cells. Spirulina also supports cardiovascular health and boosts endurance, making it easier to stay active after 60. Whether you add it to smoothies, sprinkle it on salads, or take it in capsule form, spirulina is a must-have for senior muscle health. Curious how to get natural energy and protect your muscles at the same time? Spirulina is your all-in-one solution. Conclusion. So, which powder is right for you? Whether you choose Whey, Pea, Collagen, brown rice, or spirulina, each one brings unique benefits to your body after 60. The key is finding the one that fits your lifestyle, diet, and health goals. Whey is perfect for fast recovery, while pea protein suits plant-based diets. Collagen helps with joint support, brown rice is gentle on digestion, and spirulina adds a nutritional punch for energy and strength. Just remember, supplements work best when paired with a healthy lifestyle. So stay active, eat whole foods, and stay hydrated. Are you ready to rebuild your strength and take control of your aging journey naturally? Then start today by adding one of these powders into your daily routine. And don't forget, consistency is everything. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Healthcore Guide for more senior-friendly tips on nutrition, strength, and healthy aging. Your muscles may age, but your strength doesn't have to fade. Let's age strong together.